In this video I'm gonna perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on Xiaomi 17T Pro. I'm gonna check out how fast the internet connection is, I'm gonna check out the download speed, and I'm gonna compare it with the result that I have on my computer, because I actually performed the same test on my computer just to compare results. And there we go. As you can see, I almost reached 600 megabits per second. It finished at 590 megabits per second, so that's pretty solid. However, it's slower than on my computer. On my computer I managed to get 928 megabits per second, and this is of course almost half of the speed. Well, maybe not half, but definitely there is a pretty big difference between the download speed on my Xiaomi 17T Pro and on my computer. Now the upload speed is slow, but that is because my internet is actually very poor in case of the upload, so this information is definitely irrelevant. Definitely the upload speed is faster than what it says over here, but this is how it looks like on Xiaomi 17T Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.